Okay, hello, Emma.
Hi.
Hello. You try to scare me with more and more pictures, hey? You have so many different background pictures. Okay, so let's take a look at today's question because yesterday we have learned so many things about the multiplication, and we're going to move to the week 2 and number 4. Okay, so week 2, number 4. Let's take a look at this one. Okay, so could you please read the question for me?
Two baskets have
Sorry,
has
yeah, have, yes.
has 40 apples altogether. I transferred 3 apples from the basket 1 to basket 2. Now 2 baskets have the same amount of apples.
Mm-hmm.
How many apples does basket 1 have the very beginning? How many apples does basket 2 have in the very beginning?
Okay, so I'm going to hit the post and ask you to try to do yourself, okay? So Emma, could you please tell me how to do this one?
So I did I wrote basket 1
Mm-hmm.
and basket 2. I did
Mm-hmm.
2 squares for each one.
Mm-hmm.
I wrote an arrow coming from B1 to B2.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just going to draw that. Wait.
Okay,
So
you
there's
draw
2
that. Okay,
boxes.
I'll let you draw yourself.
So there's 2 boxes.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's one which is and there's B1
Mm-hmm.
and there is B2.
Mm-hmm.
And then I draw an arrow coming from B1 to B2.
Mm-hmm.
And then I write plus 3. I mean, wait. And then I draw a minus 3,
Mm-hmm.
and this is plus 3, and then
Mm-hmm.
I think 40
Mm-hmm.
divided by 2
Mm-hmm.
equals 20.
Mm-hmm.
Now we have to do 20 because minus 3. The question is how many apples does basket 1 have at the very beginning? Now we know that now 2 baskets have the same amount of apples.
Mm-hmm.
So this needs to be plus 3 and minus 3. So this is 23 and this is 17.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Very good, because after they transfer the basket to each other, so basket 1 and basket 2, from basket 1 minus 3 and basket 2 plus 3, right? And after they moved, they have 20 apples in each of the basket. So originally, this one should be 17, and this one should be 23. Very good, Emma. Good job. Okay, so let's take a look at number 2. Okay, number 2. How to do number 2. Class A, B, and C are having 25, 33, and 23 students. Wow, this time it's no more 2 basket. Right now it's 3 classes. In order to have same numbers of students in class A, B, and C, what kind of arrangement need to be made? Okay, I'm going to hit the post and let you try to do it yourself. I didn't hit the start the recording. Okay, Emma. So this time we have 1, 2, 3, 3 classes, right? Okay, so A has 25 people, B has 33 people, and C has 23 people.
23 people.
In order to have the same number of students in each class, we need to do what? This is actually calculate the average. Right? This is the same as the average. So how to do it? Is you put all the 3 people's number together, the students' number together. So what is the number? 25 plus 33 plus 23 equals what?
Equals to
81.
81.
Very good. 81 students. They're all together 81 students. And you need to divide them into 3 groups. So 81 divided by 3 equals 27.
27.
So that means each class we need to have 27 students. Okay, so what is arrangement? Okay, so obviously class A and class C only have 25 and 23 people. They need to add more, right? Class A need 2 more people and class C need 4 more people. And class B has more than that. So class B is the only class needs to minus people. So that means what? We're going to transfer 2 students from class B to class A. And we're going to transfer 4 students from class B to class C to make them all equals to 27. Get it? So what kind of arrangement? You need to make it clear. Class B is going to transfer 2 students to class A. Transfer B is going to transfer 4 students to class C. Do you understand? Okay, I know you can calculate 27 with no problem, but you need to clarify what is the arrangement. Okay, so let's take a look at the number 3 questions. Okay, so could you please read it and do it yourself?
School buses A, B, and C carry 14, 34, and 14 students respectively. How should the teacher reshuffle so that each school bus carries the same number of students? The same thing, average, plus it together and divide by 3.
So let's take a look at this one, and this is your turn to do yourself, okay? So let's take a look at this one. School buses A, B, and C carries 42, 34, and 14 students respectively. Okay, so this is basically the same question, right, Emma? Exactly the same like earlier. So 42 plus 34 plus 14 equals what? Can you tell me? Emma?
So 42 plus 34 plus 14, which equals to 90.
Okay. So we can just using 90 divided by 3 equals 30. Okay, so this part is very easy. So what is the rearrangement, reshuffle? How to rearrangement the student into all the different buses? So Emma, you said you finished, okay? And you said you finished. So could you please tell me how you transfer each student to each buses? Okay, Emma, so could you tell me, so averagely every single bus should have 30 students, 对不对? How to refer them?
So 42 is definitely the most of like every bus. So and 14 is missing a lot. So 30 minus 14, which equals to 26. So 42 has to give 14, 26 people.
Okay, so 42, the first bus need to transfer 12, what? 12 students into the number C bus.
And then
number B bus, no, it's not 34. You should say number B bus need to transfer 4 students into the number C bus. Okay? Okay, Emma, I already taught you how to do this for the earlier question. You didn't listen. Okay, everybody, if you're not paying attention to the teachers, what did she say or he say? So the next question will deserve you right, because immediately you don't know how to describe it. 30 is not the answer. You need to tell me what is the reshuffle, how to transfer them. So bus A moves 12 students
to
bus B. Bus C.
Bus C. And
bus B moves 4 students to bus C. So this is the final answer. Emma, do you understand?
Mhm.
Okay, so 30 is never the final answer. If you just gave me the 30, I'm going to mark it wrong for this question. Get it? So we have to do tonight's homework, and I want to see a perfect homework. I want to see you deliberate. You tell me how many numbers, how many of the students is going to be transferred. Okay, Emma? So this is my requirement. Any number, only a number. Am I going to accept it? No, you need to give me the process. Correct?
Mhm.
Okay, so that's it for today's class, and we're going to see each other tomorrow. Have a nice night, Emma. Bye bye, boys and girls.